So, a few more videos on my Super Duty. This one right here, we're going to show you how to get the windshield wiper blades off. My foreign cars had a pop-off cap, and it looks just like it. And there would be a 10 millimeter under there. I believe that's what size it was, a 13 millimeter probably. But you would take the bolt off and then shimmy it off. This one has a quick release device, and we'll show you how to do that right now. There's our connector. All right, that's what it looks like from the inside. All right, so this is not so easy looking. Wait, start over. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so my wiper arms are getting old and cruddy, so I need to replace them. So I am going to take these off, and old cars, you pop these open, I think it's GM, and you find yourself a 10 millimeter in there, and you open it up. The Ford, even better, has this little release mechanism, and you pull it out. So everybody see that? That out releases it, and then I'll change the view to show you how to take it off because I'm out of hands right now. So, right there. Super easy. All right, so taking this bad boy off, after you loosen this up with the screwdriver, and you do this, you could do this with one hand, just comes right off, no problems. You don't want to protect